What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
1992 GMC Sonoma, two-wheel drive. That's a cool little truck. It's clean for its age. Aftermarket converter. Aftermarket everything. It's old, so. What we got put on it is a knockoff FLOWMASTer. I don't have a part number for it. It's like the Accelerator edition. So we'll get you guys a part number and put it in the description. Anyways, it's a knockoff FLOWMASTer. And then what we did is 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side. Custom bend. You can't get the bent ones. You have to custom bend them. So you always take them to a muffler shop to get those done on each side. And then we did 3.5-inch angle cut tips. We didn't go big on these, because the truck is a little bit smaller than normal, so that's what we did. It had a knockoff muffler on it before with turn downs. It's seen better days. We took it all off and cleaned it up for them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 90T Sonoma with a knockoff FLOWMASTer and duals. Sounds good, not bad. 4.3 fuel injected beast. Here's sound decibels. Not bad. Again. It's a clean truck, guys. I like it. Again. There it is on the other side, guys, too. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Sonoma FLOWMASTer knockoff duals. There you go. Enjoy, guys.